In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a quiz in Smartsheet. Whether you're just learning the ropes or looking to enhance your collaborative efforts, creating a quiz can be a perfect solution for gathering information or simply testing knowledge. Let's dive right into it, and I'll guide you through the steps to set up your quiz efficiently. First things first, we'll begin by setting the stage with a brand new sheet. To get started, simply click on the plus button in Smartsheet to create a new sheet. A blank canvas will open up for you, which will serve as the home for your quiz. Now, it's important to name your sheet appropriately. Think about names like quiz responses or something similar that makes it clear what the sheet is for at a glance. Remember, a good name will make it easier to locate and organize later on, especially if you're dealing with multiple quizzes or projects. Next, let's move on to adding columns, which is crucial for structuring your quiz properly. For each question in your quiz, create a dedicated column and label them as Question 1, Question 2, and so on. This makes it clear what content will go in each column. After you've set up your columns for the questions, it's time to create corresponding answer columns alongside each question column. This is where respondents will select their answers. Keeping the structure simple and organized will help participants navigate the quiz smoothly. To enhance functionality, let's incorporate score columns next. A score column will accompany each question to calculate the score based on the responses. This step is vital for quizzes where gauging performance is a key component. Once you have your individual score columns set up, we're going to add a final column to tally up the scores from all the questions. Label this one something like Total Score. This provides a snapshot of the entire quiz performance in one glance, making it easy to evaluate results. Now that your sheet is structured, the next step is to create a form to make it user-friendly for respondents. Navigate back to your sheet, and you'll find a Forms tab. Click on that, and then click on Create Form. You'll enter the form builder, which is a powerful tool for customizing input fields. For each question you have, add a corresponding field in the form. It's a wise idea to use a drop-down list for answer choices as it guides participants through the options you want them to consider. And there you have it. You've now crafted a functional quiz in Smartsheet. This setup not only keeps the process streamlined, but also ensures your data is organized and easily digestible. Whether you're using it for educational purposes, staff training, or perhaps something fun like a trivia game, this approach offers a comprehensive solution right within Smartsheet. Thank you for watching, and happy quizzing!